The ultimate affiliate marketing guide. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down a full A to Z system that you can follow to start making money with affiliate marketing. Selecting a niche, picking a product, finding traffic for that product. I'm going to be covering all of this in this video, so you definitely want to be sticking this video out right until the end, because I'm actually going to give you a free resource to help you along the way. But before I kind of get into that, if you're new to the channel, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how to make money online. And just as a bit of social proof, I've been able to generate sales like this and sales like this repeatedly over and over again for my affiliate marketing business. But again, this isn't about me, this is about you. And I've been able to help students from all over the world start making commissions online. We have Dave King, who was struggling for over 14 years online, going in the wrong direction before he started working with me. He was then able to quit his job and go full-time with affiliate marketing. We've got Srini here from India, who was going on in the wrong direction for over 10 years until he started working with me, now able to make commissions online with affiliate marketing. So if you want any more information on how they're able to do this stuff, I do recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out the free training that I put together on that. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in. The very first thing that you're going to need to do is to select a niche, okay? So there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. And just quickly before I kind of dive into, the sub-market examples and stuff like that, if any of you do want a copy of this resource, you can basically find it down in the description below. You can click on, file, then you can click on make a copy, and you can make your own copy and edit it there if you need to, okay? So if you just click on the link down in the description below, you'll be able to pull up this document for yourself. So like I was saying, the main niches for you to go for are health, wealth, and relationships. And within those niches, there are multiple sub-markets, okay? So you want to basically pick a sub-market within one of these niches because they are a little bit broad if you just select one of the top ones, right? So just to give you some examples, in the health space, we've got things such as personal training, gym owners, we've got supplements, which are really popular for affiliate marketing. We've got fitness equipment, weight loss. It could be like weight loss supplements and stuff like that, bodybuilding, dentists, chiropractors, yoga. The list goes on, okay? But I've just given you a few examples here. In the wealth space, it could be like coaching and consulting businesses. There could be affiliate products for that. Affiliate marketing, obviously, this is what the main thing that we're talking about in this video, and e-commerce. And then in relationships, we have, helping people overcome porn addiction, helping couples conceive a baby, relationship coaching, online dating, and stuff like that. Okay, so you basically want to make sure that you're picking one sub-market out of these niches that for you to go for. And it's really important to make sure that you're actually picking something that you're passionate about. Okay, so once you've selected one, you ask yourself this question: are you passionate about the niche that you're going after, or are you just picking it because you make a quick buck of it, right? Never pick a niche because it sounds like there's a lot of money to be made. You won't enjoy it and you'll end up burning yourself out because it's not something that you're actually interested in, right? So it's very, very important to make sure that you're actually passionate about the thing that you're doing. That way you're not going to quit, you're not going to burn yourself out, and you can continue, progressing in the direction that you want to go with it, all right? So if any of you are a little bit stuck and you are like just sort of thinking, right, I really don't know what niche to go for. This is a really common problem that we see in the online space. People just really struggle to pick a niche. Okay, so I've given you a little exercise here where you can basically just brainstorm exactly, what things you're good at, what things you're interested in, what things what are your hobbies. So at the top here, we've got hobbies. Okay, you can just list down 4 of them. This is going to be different for everyone, obviously. Then you want to list down 4 things that you're interested in, then 4 things that you're good at, okay? And then basically past careers, okay? And once you've done that, you can basically have a look through and just sort of see where your strengths and weaknesses are, what things you're actually interested in, what things you've done before, what things that you're good at, and you can basically select one of those, right? And that's really going to help you sort of, select a niche if you are somebody that's struggling with that. So the next thing I want to talk about is market research on your niche. Now we've got that out of the way, okay? And you need to understand your audience on a very deep level so you can effectively market your business, right? So I've left a few questions here, but just to give you an example of like what I'm really talking about here is you really need to understand their pains and problems on a very deep level. Because just to give you an example, let's say, for example, that you're a busy parent and you're working 60-hour weeks and you're away from your child and you're missing out on them growing up. That can be quite a painful problem in people's lives, right? And if you're able to understand this stuff as an affiliate marketer, then you can basically say, look, you can basically tap into these pain points like I've just done then. If you're a busy parent away from your kids, it's a really common problem that we see in the online space. You can educate them on why what you're selling is a solution to their problems, okay? So it's really important to understand, what are their pains, what are their desires? Okay, their desire could be just, you know, to have more time with their children, to actually be able to see them growing up. And then, you know, what are those burning issues that are keeping them awake at night? So I've got a few questions here for you to fill out. And then next thing we want to go into is we want to be able to select a product for our niche. So there's a few different ways that we can do this. We can do this with free products, which we can get from places like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ShareASale. I would always recommend going for the private affiliate programs because they just tend to pay higher commissions. They tend to be a lot better quality than the stuff that everyone can promote on these free sites. But it's entirely up to you which one you go for. If you do decide to, you know, go for a private affiliate program, I do recommend clicking on this link here and checking out the free training that I've put together there on that. If not, we can go over onto ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ShareASale. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go over onto JVZoo and show you how to select a product. Okay. So once we're over there, it should bring you to a dashboard that looks a little bit like this. And again, I promote the private affiliate programs, so I don't promote anything off of these sites, just because, like I said, the private affiliate programs just tend to be a lot better quality. But if you go over to here on affiliates, and then you go down to find a product, okay, and then you can basically search keywords in here. So like I said, it really depends on what you've gone for before. Like we've already had that list of sub markets. If it's weight loss, as you can see here, you can just type in weight loss. Let's just have a look through this one just for the purposes of this video. Okay, and if we scroll down, we can have a look at this one, you know, weight loss success, 340 positive affirmations and guided meditations. We can have a look at that. Over 75 plus sold. Conversions are around 5.61%. You're going to get paid $23.82 if you make a commission. Commissions are 50% and there's a 0% refund rate. So what you want to do is you want to click on request approval, and then after that you basically want to, you know, enter a quick message to get approved to the seller. So if you want to click on get approved, you know, just enter a quick message there. You know, maybe I'm new to affiliate marketing. I'm marketing my business through such and such channel, whether it's YouTube, Facebook. We're going to get into that a little bit more later on in this video. You know, really appreciate it if you could approve me for this product to start promoting it, right? Something like that. You know, just click on I'm not a robot and request approval. So now we've got that out of the way, the next thing that we want to do is we want to pick a traffic method. We want to get traffic to these products. Okay, we know what product we're promoting now. We know how to do that. We want to drive traffic to it. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to talk about is the Facebook organic method. I'm going to go into 3 different methods in this video. So again, you're definitely going to want to stick this video out right into the end. But the first one I want to talk about is Facebook organic. Okay. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to optimize your Facebook profile. So I've given you an example down there that you can click on. So the very first thing we want is an optimized cover photo. You can do this stuff on canva.com, or you can basically pay somebody over on Fiverr to create one for you. Really simple. It's only going to cost you about $5 or $10. It's not going to be that expensive, but we want an optimized cover photo so that when somebody lands on your Facebook profile, they know exactly what it is that you do. Okay, there's no confusion there. So if we click on this cover photo, as you can see at the top here, it says, you know, click here for the free training. And basically you want to make sure that all of the links on your Facebook profile are pointing in the same direction, right? I'll show you a little bit more what I mean about that in just a second. Okay, but if we go back onto our profile, so we want to optimize the intro as well. So we've optimized the cover photo. We want to optimize the intro as well, right? So as you can see down in the intro, it says free training for affiliate marketers, and it's pointing people to the exact same link, right? So you want to make sure that your affiliate links are in, you know, whether you're pointing it to a funnel or whether you're pointing them to affiliate links, you want to make sure that it's directing them to the same links each time. Okay. One thing I forgot to put in that sheet is that you can actually do the same thing in your profile photo. So you want to make sure that you've got a clear headshot and people can actually see who you are. You don't want some picture of like a rose field or, you know, an avatar or anything like that, because when people land on your profile, it's basically just going to scream that you're some shady character and they're going to bounce from your profile. So if we click on, you know, see profile photo, as you can see here on the right hand side, I am linking them to the same link. Okay. And then you basically, you also get the opportunity to add links down in the description of your profile there as well. So obviously I've got the same link here, and you can also add your social media bios or profiles there as well. So I'm linking out to my my YouTube channel. So we go back onto this sheet and have a look at what's next. So You know, optimize intro, we've done that. Optimize your links, we've done that. Profile photo and cover links, we've done that already. And again, if you want an example, all you've got to do is click on this link here and it will take you to my Facebook profile. Okay, so now we're going to dive into daily tasks to help you grow. And that is to find 5 to 10 Facebook groups and basically join them, right? So you basically want to be adding like 50 to 100 people out of these groups each day that are already in your audience. And the great thing about this is, guys, Facebook already has audiences of people that you're looking for, right? If I'm looking for affiliate marketers, Facebook already has massive groups full of affiliate marketers. So I don't have to reinvent the wheel and try and find all these people. I just need to find out where these people are hanging out. And that is the great thing about Facebook. Okay. If we go over onto here, you can simply just type in affiliate marketing and then go down and select groups. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go to this top one because it's public. You basically want to join like 5 to 10 of these groups. And once you're in the group, you want to just select people. You want to basically go down to members with things in common, right? And then once you've done that, you simply just want to add like 50 to 100 people from this group. And then anybody that accepts your friend request, you can then message them, and don't go in there just spamming the links, okay? Because that stuff just doesn't work. But as you can see, you basically want to make sure that you're adding people with members with things in common, because Facebook does get a little bit funny about you adding people that you're not familiar with. I can simply just go down and I can simply just start adding people. And as you can see, all of these requests are going through no problem at all. And that is because we have things in common, right? So really simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate the process. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you're providing value and helping people. So I recommend, you know, creating 1 to 2 posts per day, providing value to people and helping them. So I personally don't market on Facebook anymore. I'm primarily focused on YouTube. So you won't see much on my Facebook profile with regards to this. But you can simply just do something. We use the framework called the hook story offer. Okay, so the hook is something that's really high drama, you know, really something that's going to be catchy. The first couple of lines to really grab that person's attention. And then when we go into the story, you might want to tell a quick story that relates to what it is that you're talking about. Okay. And then from there, you go into the offer, and then you basically make an offer at the end of the post. So you don't have to make an offer at the end of every single post. I don't recommend doing that. But just to give you a sort of framework to be able to create Facebook posts on your actual profile itself. And again, when people are checking out your profile, if you're adding people from these Facebook groups, people will be clicking and checking out your Facebook profile. And again, it just shows that you're not some fly-by-night person, and that you are, you know, basically an authority in your marketplace and somebody to be listened to. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out, this stuff will work for anyone. Okay, so like I was saying, you don't just want to be posting about business all the time either. You know, you want to post about 5 things that you're actually interested in. Okay, so I post about, you know, mainly, you know, finance, fitness, faith, family, and fun. Okay, and like I said, this is a bit of an aggressive method. I personally don't message anybody these days. I wait for people to message me. But aggressive, you can basically message back everybody who adds you as a, you know, as you as a friend. As again, we're sending out friend requests. We're sending 50 to 100 friend requests from these Facebook groups. Anybody who accepts your friend request, you can simply just message them, right? And again, you don't want to just be spamming your links, because that stuff doesn't work, guys. You want to make sure that you're actually, there's a method behind the madness, and there's an actual framework behind what you're doing. So I recommend using a process called SPIN. Okay, and SPIN stands for situation, problem, implication, need, payoff. Okay, and it's really simple, guys. You have to remember that there is somebody on the other side of the computer or the other side of the phone. So I always like to use the example of just imagine yourself walking down the road and a complete stranger walking up to you trying to sell you something. What is it that most people are going to do? Most people are going to ignore you. Most people are going to block you. Most people are going to pull some rude face and walk off, right? And your Facebook inbox messenger is no different. Okay, so just remember that there is somebody on the other side. Have an actual human interaction with this person. You know, find out a bit about that situation if you can. You know, are there any problems that they're experiencing? What are the implications of those problems? And is there actually a need for your services? If there is a need for your services, you know, ask for permission. You know, is it okay if I send you some information, or is it okay if I send you a link? I think this product will really help you. And if they say yes, only then should you really be dropping your links, okay? Because otherwise it's just really spammy, guys. There's loads of people out there just spamming links everywhere. And if it was that simple, we would all be rich by now, right? Really simple, okay? So the next thing that I want to talk about, which is one of my preferred methods over Facebook, still not my favorite, but it is preferable to me over Facebook organic, is short form freedom. Okay, so this is short form videos, and there's 4 different types of videos which you can make. Well, the really good thing about this is you don't need to make 4 different types of videos. You can create one video and you can repurpose it across all 4 different platforms. And these are things such as TikToks, Instagram Shorts, YouTube Shorts, sorry, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Okay, and these are short 60-second videos which you can record on your phone. And really simple, guys. You can just create one piece of content and then you can repurpose it across all 4 platforms for that 1, 2, 3, 4 punch effect. Okay, so really good. I've given you some examples down here below. If you are posting to TikTok, I recommend using this software called Snaptic, because once you upload a video on TikTok, it would then put that horrible watermark, that TikTok logo over your video. So if you do try and download it and then reshare it elsewhere, you're going to have that TikTok logo sort of bouncing around on the screen as people are watching the video. So what you can do is you can copy and paste the link into this Snaptic, and it would basically remove that watermark for you before you start uploading it up to places like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, so I recommend using that Snaptic for that. It's completely free. It's not going to cost you a penny. So again, I've given you some examples here which you can take a look at. We've got 60-second educational videos, and again, your videos don't have to be 60 seconds long. They can be up to 60 seconds, right? So I've given you some examples of educational videos here. Call to action videos. Again, you can just basically provide value, and then at the end, I've put together a free training. Click the link in my bio. I've put together a free training. Click the link in the description, whichever platform it is that you're publishing on. So I've given you some examples of videos where I'm using call to actions at the end, and this is a great way to get people to actually take action and click on your affiliate links, guys, right? So with these things, you want to make sure that your affiliate links are posted in the bio. Okay, if you're using short form freedom, so you're going to have your TikTok profile. You can have, click here to check out this, this fitness supplement, or click here to check out this free training, whatever it is that you're promoting. You want to make sure that your links are in the bio so that people can, if people click on your profile, they can click on that, and then it's going to send traffic to your offers, right? So traffic method number 3 is my favorite, and this is the automated YouTube machine. And this is long form content, okay, typically videos that are over a minute long. The really great thing about this is you can put multiple affiliate links if you want to. You want to put your affiliate links down in the description below, and this is basically going to automate your sales process for you, right? Your funnels in the description. You can, whether it's affiliate link or a funnel that you're promoting, is up to you. You can put the funnel down in the description as well. This is going to automate the sales process for you. You will basically want to be focusing on adding value to your audience, okay? And again, like I was just saying about the short form content, you can also, use call to actions in your videos, just like I've done in this video already. If any of you are looking for a free training, I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description below and checking out the video I've put together on that. Again, that's just an example of, using call to actions in your videos, right? And I've actually left an example down here of a video that was doing quite well. So you can go over it, you can check that video out if you need to, how to promote affiliate links on YouTube, or how to promote affiliate links in general, sorry, not just YouTube, because I go through a few different methods in this video. If any of you are actually looking for an in-depth free training on, how we really put all this stuff together, which we've just spoken about in this video, I do recommend clicking on this link down here. And again, guys, I will leave a link to this document down in the description. So you can click on that. You can basically click on file, you can make a copy, and you can basically make your own copy where you can edit it and stuff like that. Okay, so I hope you got value from this. If you did get value, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you got from this video. But for now, I'm out, guys. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'll catch you on the next one.